Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this drippy Monday the 16th. It is still May, obviously. We're only halfway through. I'm back at Renton Tech for morning classes. It'll be kind of a pain in the butt for a little while. Like, I'm debating whether I want to just wake up at like 6 every morning or take advantage of the time I can sleep in. It's a debate right now, because I technically got less sleep last night than I wanted, but stuff happens. I was just up late. I couldn't help it. Anyway, I'm about to head inside and start HR class, I believe. Well, the morning class lasted till 8. I chatted with Gabby for a little bit, but I got my homework done for Wednesday. I was kind of hoping it would go till 9, kill me some extra time. It's about 9 now that I'm actually leaving, but just, now, it's 9 o'clock. I might as well head to Bellevue, even though there's nothing for me to do there until 11. In later days, what I'll probably do is I'll probably bring down my computer and just hang out for a little bit here until about 10. But I left my computer in my car, so I'm just gonna walk up and go, probably. I'll update you later.